Dear students, when you consider the protozoans are unicellular animal cells. They are placed under the kingdom Protista. The protozoans are classified into 4 classes that based on the locomotory organs they have. So, that is amoeboid protozoans, ciliated protozoans, sporozoans, and then there are flagellated protozoans. Now, based on this, let us see one question. The causal organism for the African sleeping sickness is option A, Trypanosoma cruzi, option B, Trypanosoma rhodensiens, option C, Trypanosoma tangella, and option D is Trypanosoma gambiense. As you know that the classification of these protozoans, one of the classes is the flagellated protozoans. So, to the flagellated protozoans belongs to one organism, that is the Trypanosoma gambiense. Now, in this particular question, the causal organism for African sleeping sickness is caused by the option D, that is the Trypanosoma gambiense. It is being transmitted by sassafly as a vector, and hence the correct option in this particular question is the option D, that is Trypanosoma gambiense.